Hi there, and welcome to today's tutorial. Let's figure out how to create a website with Wix. Head to wix.com, click on Get Started on the top right corner. I suggest that you have a valid working email or a Google account. You can either choose your email again, e-password, which I really suggest to be a randomly generated password, something like this. Doesn't relate to me personally, it's not a birthday, it's not something that's relative, just random characters. Click. I'm just gonna use my Google account. After the sign up process, I'm gonna be greeted with this page. Said I'm just gonna get started because I'm creating this website for me personally. Let's hit get started. Now, what kind of website you're creating? Keep in mind that Wix will actually help you create the perfect website you're looking for. Just choose your criteria. For example, I'm gonna create a blog website. As you can see right here, it's just gonna be a normal blog website. So I'm just gonna have a blog, click next. You can even choose more about your blog. Okay, I've done that. What would you like to call your website? Blogging for newbies, for example. Gonna click on next. After that, what are my goals with the website? Actually, I would just love to share knowledge and build a community. Gonna click on next. Now that I've chosen what my website would be like, what would you want to add a website? I would actually to add forms, chat. I don't really want a chat, to be honest. Let's see. Pricing, online programs. I really don't want any of those stuff. I'm just gonna click on next. Note that you can actually skip all those steps by clicking on the top right corner. Continue setting up your website on the dashboard. So let's go to our dashboard. As you can see, Wix will prepare our dashboard and we'll be greeted with this page, manage.wix.com. Right here, we're gonna see the dashboard for our website. Let's update the site type by clicking on update. I'm just gonna save this. And let's even have more information. You can see write your first blog post. Let's actually create our first blog post right here. Let me refresh this page. If this didn't load, make sure that there's something wrong with the website. So to actually view our website, we're gonna go to the top right corner, click to go all sites. And here we're gonna select the site that we are looking for. So make sure that you are in the right site and follow along. As I said, you can even connect a custom domain. Since we don't have that, we're gonna skip it for now. We're gonna design our website now. Let's go to design, customize site. We can even get found in Google, but I'm going to skip that. And I'm going to create my post after designing my website. Okay, now that we're here, I'm going to skip those information. And let's choose the theme. For me, I actually love a minimal color palette. As I said, you can also skip those steps, but I really prefer that you use them because they are actually helpful. Okay, seems that we have some results right here. I would actually love this one. Let's go with next. After we are here right now, we're gonna look on the pages to our site. It seems to me that something like this is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Click on next, preparing your home page design, add in your pages, and then we're gonna be greeted with this page. You can see now we can go either back to the dashboard. Now that we all did all of that, we can create our first blog post by clicking there, and we'll be greeted to create our first blog post. Let's create first blog. This is our first blog, and let's publish it. Let's add some images for it to be published, and let's publish it on the top right corner. As you can see, we've published our blog post successfully. Let's try to actually view our post. And as you can see right here, here is our first post. This is as well our website. Let's go to the home page of our website. Here is the home page. Here's our first blog post. Here's the about me, here's the let's connect. As you can see, it's not really a perfect search bar right here. So I'm going to actually show you how to fix those stuff as well. Go back to your main page. I'm gonna go back to actually do customization of website, which you can find on top right corner, customize site. And once I'm back here, I'm gonna be waiting for this to reload, and it's gonna prompt us with a page which we are able to actually add and remove stuff. As you can see right here I can find the header. In the header, I'll be actually looking for this stripe right here, and is this stripe, I'll be maybe looking for this column. And let's try and target the, okay, great. As you can see, now we get it target the search. We can either move it around where we would like, or remove it. I don't see actually a value for this search, to be honest with you guys. So I'm just gonna click actually on it, and I'm just gonna right click on it, and I'm just gonna click on delete. As you can see, it's gone. I'm gonna center this again right here perfectly, and kaboom, it's good. Now I would actually also, as I said, this image isn't something. Okay, now if I can make it, okay, this is actually perfect. Yep, the image is much visible, and I really like it. That's basically it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.